How's it going, guys? I'm about to crack open the rest of my National Treasure chest. I did two, and I did two in Impeccable. Recap on the Impeccable. I did pull out this Dennis Rodman. Real quick recap. So I pulled out this Giannis, Cam Reddish Purple, Grant Williams, Robert Parrish, Maurice Cheeks, Admiral Sheffield, Otto. That was part of the baseball I was doing. I was doing some baseball. Mixed it up a little bit. I'll recap what I opened on the other National Treasures, but first of all, let's go straight to the show. I did pull out a nice double shield on the first treasure box. Second one was That first one did have a nice dual shield of two rookies. We're looking for some fire. The booklet's in here because it's a pretty fatty one right here. So there's a booklet in there. That was Ray Lewis, Treasured Moments. There's the booklet. Cooper Kupp, the 10. The ugliest patch I've seen so far. Greg Olsen, the ugliest patch ever. But it goes from that to a pretty sick patch. Ronald Jones, the 2nd. The player's but the patch is sick. It is a nice patch numbered to 25. Darrell Henderson to 99. We got a Lion triple. Matthew Stafford, Karen Johnson, TJ Hawkinson. And we got Darwin Thompson. I might have to look him up. And I think that was Irv Smith Jr. That's exactly what it was. Irv Smith Jr. Jumbo patch. That's an ugly ass signature, to be honest with you. But it is a jumbo ass patch. And another DK Metcalf to 10. I have too many DK Metcalfs already. Oh, we got a shield, guys. We got a shield, but it's a laundry tag. 1 of 1. Paris Campbell. It's nice. These are numbered to 5. I thought it was a 1 of 1, but it's numbered to 5. All right. That's not too bad. That is not too bad at all. That was not too bad. So, quick recap on that other shield that I told you guys about. Just want to show you guys. Oh, I think it wasn't this one, but since I already opened it, I'll go ahead and show you what I pulled out. Fletcher Cox, Devin Bush, Deontay Johnson, Mark Ingram, Kyle Allen, Hunter Renfrow, Mecole Hardman Jr. Nice little patches. It was a Devlin Hodges. He won't be seeing any more starting snaps anymore. Mecole Hardman Jr., Hunter Renfrow and Keelan Doss, dual auto, and Easton Stick to 25. Decent patch. So that was box number 2, which wasn't that great. Box number 1, it wasn't setting the world on fire either, but it did have this nice dual dual patch, dual shield. So show you that. And then we got Earl Campbell, Treasured Moments. Is a number to 10. 10 of 10, as a matter of fact. We got a Damian Harris to 37, which is his jersey number. Archie Manning to 25. Ugly patch. It's a leather patch. Jordan Scarlett, 49. It's Joey Bosa. Stephon Diggs. I don't know why they make those ugly little patches. Another ugly little patch, AJ Green. Dalvin Cook and Walter Payton. So that was the recap, guys. Best one in that one was the 1 of 1 dual shield. Josh Jacobs and Hunter Renfrow. I'm not sure if you guys got to see the Josh Jacobs and the Hunter Renfrow, but it is a Raider. I'm a Raider fan, so that card actually, that pool made me happy. Right now I'm about to break open this Impeccable. The Impeccable I showed you guys, the hit was the Cam Reddish red so far. And that Dennis Rodman silver piece. I'll go ahead and open up the stainless steel. Maybe it's a gold. I have yet to pull a gold on these. And my record stands, no gold. Jimmy Butler. My record is impeccable. So we already seen Andrew Wiggins, so we're going to start the show with Andrew Wiggins to 75. We got Goga to 25. Porzingis to 99. And we got a Derek Fisher to 25. I'll give the man credit. He has a pretty nice signature. Like, you don't want to see ball. And I just saw this. It's a sweet RJ Barrett to 99. And RJ Barrett to 99. I'll take that. Too bad it wasn't a patch, but nonetheless, we got a red Ty Jerome. That's some kind of Hall of Famer. Bob McAdoo. This one's numbered to 60, by the way. And we got Bob Dandridge. So the whole case was Hall of Famers. So you got that there. Open up case box number 4 of this case. Did a recap already for you guys. Hopefully I can show you guys some fire here. I owe you guys some big hit. 1 of 1 Brady, some kind of shield. We want something big, right? I owe you guys. I got to bring you guys some heat. We need to pull some heat on these things. So I just saw there was a redemption. Redemptions, a lot of Drew Lock on those, so I'm hoping. Baker Mayfield to 99, Mark Ingram 25. Dallas, go dirt. Go there. A colossal Joey Bosa. That's twice Joey Bosa. That's twice Joey Bosa has made an appearance in this case. We got Kill Harry Jalen Smith booklet, 25. It is a nice patch though. If you're a Cowboy fan, that's actually a really nice patch. Like I said, if you're a Cowboys fan. Gus Edwards, I guess they couldn't find Lamar Jackson. He was busy. He was busy filming some. We got a 5/5. Alexander Mattinson, 5/5. It's a pretty sick patch. Big patch, but it's not two colors. It looks like we're going to end it with another Minnesota Viking. Dalvin Cook. But now, can this save the case? Can a Drew Lock save this case, man? 24-point. Rookie Jumbo Prime Signatures booklet. Variation. Card number 4. Drew Lock. So I'm happy with Drew Lock. Rookie Jumbo Prime Signatures booklet. Bam. I'm happy with this. All right, guys. So I brought a little fire. I'll be opening up another case soon. I'll be posting it. Thanks.